Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Gildo Glass Dildo number 14. So let's get started. So this is the Glass Dildo number 14 itself. As you can see, it's a very unique dildo. Now you can discover your most sensitive spots with this unique dildo. The dildo is made entirely out of transparent glass, so it's strong, durable and extra smooth to the touch as well. The bent tip makes it possible to reach your sensitive spots, for example the prostate or G-spot, so this is suitable for both men and women and is also suitable for both vaginal and anal use. The toy is safe to use in combination with any type of lubricant, and it has an elegant shaped handle for a perfect grip in any situation, as demonstrated. Because it's made entirely of glass, this is also suitable for temperature play. For example, you could also pop it in cold water for cold sensations or warm water for warmer sensations. It also features a rounded head at the top there for extra stimulation during use. As mentioned earlier, you can use any lubricant. For example, you can use a water-based lubricant, or you can also use a silicone-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Make sure to clean the glass dildo after every use, and for this we recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. Also included is a luxury Gildo toy bag where you can pop your glass dildo number 14 in. This helps to keep it discreet and easy to travel around with. And that is the Gildo Glass Dildo number 14. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.